Hello and welcome back everybody. If you want to fix out your Instagram video selfie verification not working and you're looking out solutions for that, these are some of the solutions you can follow up to fix it. So let's get started. You can start by checking up your internet. Go to your quick settings panel or access your settings and look out for your internet connection or mobile data that you're currently connected to. And you can just go over and use a stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data and see if the verification works or not. Also ensure your app is fully updated. So go to your profile Play Store, and within your Play Store you can go to the search and basically search for your Insta. And once you go to Insta, you can just go over and look out for the update option if there is any update available, and that should ensure your application is fully updated. From your phone's app store, you can do so. And apart from that, you can clear the Instagram app's cache and data. So hold the app, go to the info, and within the info, you can scroll down and go to the section for storage and tap on it. And basically look out for clear cache and also clear the data if necessary. That should often fix the glitches that may be causing such kind of interference. Also restart your device, hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option. You can basically tap on restart, and a simple restart should often solve the temporary software glitches that may be happening. Apart from that, ensure that your device has enough storage for recordings. That will also fix the issue. And if not that, you can try using a different browser or different device and see if that fixes your issue, or if it's a network server issue, you can check it out and that should probably fix it out. One of the solutions should probably fix it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.